Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we would like to present about our assignment, current issue in ELT. This is about the journal article. We should present the journal article. Before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce my group first. The first one is Tia Harjono, and then Jasdia, Tia Maharani, and myself, Putri Arinda. My name is Putri Arinda. Guys.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Okay. Caleb, you can go to the next slide. Okay. This is the title of the journal article, Video-Based Literacy Coaching to Develop Teachers' Professional Vision for Dialogic Classroom Text Discussion. So this is the title of the journal itself. The journal related to the use of video-based literacy coaching to develop teacher professional development. And then the authors are Margaret Tia Walls, Lindsay Clark Matsumura, Dena Zook Howell, Ricard Correnti, and Donna Di Prima Bickel. So this is the author. And then this is the research question. From the journal itself, when we read the journal, we found the two research questions from the journal. The first one is, in what ways does teachers' selective attention shape as they reflect on their classroom text discussion over the course of the coaching? And then the second one is, in what ways does teachers' knowledge-based reasoning shape as they reflect on their classroom text discussion over the course of the coaching? So, from the research question, the author wants to know the teacher's knowledge when they do a coaching with the coach itself, the teacher's knowledge related to the text discussion to teach the students. Okay, you can go to the next slide. Okay, this is the research purpose. Maybe Cynthia can explain the research purpose.
Okay, thank you, Putri. The research purpose to investigate the method in the comprehension assessment. The teacher transform as teaching is done during the dialogue so that this reflective coaching occurs over time. Okay, the next slide. Caleb, Dian.
Okay, this is our rationale in conducting the study. I will explain this one, why the author wants to conduct the study, the reason of the author itself. So when we read the journal, we found this one. This is the case from the previous study. From the previous study, there is a lacking of empirical work to examine how in-service teachers learning of dialogic discussion based form of reading comprehension pedagogy developed through video-based professional development. So from the previous research, there is a lack of empirical work on how in-service teachers learning of dialogic and discussion-based form of reading comprehension pedagogy through video-based professional development. So that's why the author wants to apply the video-based professional development for a teacher. And then the second one, this is particular pressing given the inevitability of transmissional and persistence evident that students' critical thinking and reading comprehension significantly underdeveloped by the end of fourth grade. So based on the previous study show that there is a lack of student critical thinking and reading comprehension skills. So that's why the author wants to apply this study to coach the teacher the method to teach their students. So the teachers do the coaching through video. Okay, you can continue to the next slide, Caleb. Okay, based on the reason from the previous research, that's why the study addressed this issue. The study uh, apply how teachers reflective practice development in the context of a video-based remote teaching, video-based remote coaching interventions to implement dialogic test discussion in fourth and fifth grade classroom. So that's why the author apply video-based remote coaching to the teacher. I think that's all from myself. You can continue to explain the next slide.
This is the research methodology, participant and data collection procedure. There is research approach. Use qualitative study and the research participant. The sample includes only research who successfully complete at least 3 coaching circles. And then the teacher were recruited from a northern US school district through study at advertisement for all 4th and 5th grade teachers on the district job website. Okay, next slide. And then this is the data collection procedure. There is a 6-week online workshop to build knowledge of the instructional models. And second is personalized coaching. Analyzing the first and the third circles of teachers' written reflection recorded in online platform or 3 written reflection per teachers per cycle, 36 total. And the transcript of post-lesson coaching conference, 1 transcript per teacher per cycle, 12 total.
Okay, and then the next one is the finding of this research. It suggests that teachers became more focused on the connection between their discussion moves and students thinking in the video. So this research emphasizes that when the teachers making the video and the material itself, they must consider the critical thinking skill of students. They must know, they must realize that the critical thinking skill of students must be enhanced. So that's why the material itself and then the video content in the video explanation should trigger their critical thinking skill and should touch Okay, touch their critical thinking skill. And then the second one, this work offers important contributions to research on how teachers learn dialogic classroom discussion practices through coach guided video reflection, as well as how teachers' professional learning can be characterized and assessed in this context. So, research, this research contributes to how teachers should teach and how they should conduct the learning process through the discussion practice, through the coach guided video reflection. For what? For their professional competencies, for because they are able to make the discussion, whether in the video or in the classroom discussion, they also can make the critical thinking skills of students become the main issue or the main interaction, the main things which performs, which is dominant in the classroom discussion, their critical thinking skills. So that's what I can say and what can I conclude from the finding of the research. All right, I think that's all that our group members can explain today. I hope all of you who watched this video can get the idea and can get the points from this research and from our presentation. Hope this video is useful for you. And if you found some mistakes, we do apologize. And any comments or suggestion are welcome for better presentations. All right. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time and bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.